I know exactly what it feels like. You wake up, you check your email, and it's another rejection. Or worse, just silence. You start to wonder, is it me? Am I not good enough? Let me be clear, it's not you. The problem is not your passion, your work ethic, or your smile. The problem is that there's a system out there that filters out great people over one simple, missing technical thing. See, in the hotel industry, that skill is Opera Cloud PMS. And for anyone who is unemployed right now, mastering this skill is the simple fastest ticket off the bench and into the hotel industry. My name is Yahya, I'm a passionate hotel enthusiast, and I make educational videos. And today, I'm going to show you why Opera Cloud PMS is the most important skill set that will end your job search and get you hired in the hotel industry. To start, I have been fortunate enough to work closely with Bliss Hospitality. They offer a virtual hotel and a training ground for Opera Cloud PMS. And I'm going to tell you in a moment what the special offer that they have. But first, we need to understand the real reason why your resume is being ignored. Second, we'll talk about how Opera Cloud PMS will change how hiring managers will see you. And third, I'll give you the exact steps to go from unemployed to becoming an Opera Cloud expert in no time. See, when a hiring manager has about 100 applications for one job, they don't read every single one. They can't. Their first job is to reduce the pile as fast as possible. How do they do it? They search for keywords, and the number one keyword they type into the system is Opera Cloud PMS. Now, Opera Cloud PMS is a cloud-based property management system trusted by many luxury hotel chains worldwide. This includes Marriott, Accor, Hyatt, and this unique system is basically used to manage front desk operations, reservations, check-ins, room assignments, billings, and pretty much the entire guest cycle. Now, if this experience is not on your resume, you can pretty much be filtered out. See, managers today need someone who can start immediately without having to deal too much with training. So I want you to imagine this. Imagine the confidence of you walking into an interview knowing that you have this one technical skill. Imagine being able to say, I'm an Opera Cloud PMS certified expert. That sounds pretty impressive. So the critical question is, how do you get this experience when you don't even have a job to give it to you? This is the exact problem Bliss Hospitality solves. They give you hands-on, self-paced training using a real Opera Cloud simulation. So this isn't just like watching videos, this is actually doing the job. You'll be performing real front desk tasks in a system that looks and works just like the one in a hotel. Which is pretty cool because you'll be able to log in and practice check-ins, manage reservations, and process payments. You'll be able to build this exact muscle memory that makes a hiring manager confident that you can handle the front desk on a busy day. Here's what makes this moment special. Bliss Hospitality is offering our YouTube community, especially those who are hungry to improve their hotel skills, an exclusive 35% discount that changes everything. Use this code below for 90 days of unlimited access to their Opera Cloud training platform. Do not let another week go by without using this skill on your resume. Click the link, use the code, and transform your job search today. I know you have the drive, and this is the blueprint. Now go get your hotel job with full confidence. Take care.